Hi everyone, this is Sam Create the Heart. And I'm back with kind of a project share. So I've been working with the Outdoor Adventures paper pad and ephemera from Not Too Shabby shop. And so this was in their box of the month. I believe the paper and the ephemera is still available. However, the stamps I don't think are available because the box is sold out. So I use mostly ephemera and sentiments from these two stamp sets, I'm pretty sure. So this one is called Wanderlust Adventure, and this one is Adventure Awaits. So I think I use this one as well, which is Spellbinder's Blossom in my stash. So had that forever. So what I've done is I've made some card kits. So I've got envelopes here, and then here are the cards that I made. Now these all have the same kind of format. So they're A2 size cards. The mat is a little bit smaller than the card base. And then I used that blossom die in white. I stamped the sentiment, and then I layered some ephemera. So here are the cards that I made. And so, and then that just fits in here. And so, and then I'm going to go ahead and seal this, and I'll show you what I did for the topper. This. So here's one. And so these are going to be some gifts. And so for this one right here, so here are the envelopes, there's only 3 for this one, because these are a little bit bulkier cards. So what I did was I used the page maps or scrap maps from Tailored Expressions. And so they have like a little map that you can use to help you use little pieces of scrap. And so that's what I use for these cards. And so let's go into it. So this one right here, see the sentiment. I really like how this one came out. And then this one right here. Such really a great way of using the scrap. Okay, so then we place the cards in here, and go ahead and take that off. Now these cellophane bags I actually got from Amazon. I believe that they are the 6x6 size. So then I took another piece of scrap and I created a little topper for it. So I've got this one and this topper right here. These are the 2 that I have. And so then I've got my stapler. Grab it. I think I have staples in there. Like, let's hope. So, just like this. And then it's and then we've got that one. I think this would make great gifts. And there we go. 2 gifts ready to go. Good way of using up any leftover ephemera. And all set. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.